All right, so my name is Daniel Salkin and I work with Custom Lighting of America. We've been partnering up with Sanctuary Gardens for the last 20 years now. The owner's name is George, and we really are both able to make each other look great. They give plants that we're able to light up, so we really are able to feature their stuff and vice versa. Definitely always comes down to quality. You always want to try and go with the best quality you can. We never want to have callbacks, so what we're using are casted brass fixtures. Brass is perfect for Florida because of the humidity and all the salt in the air. It's not going to pit, it's not going to rust or corrode through. It's just going to develop a patina that makes it stronger as it ages. So we're passionate about making our customers happy. You know, our goal when we go there is to try and transform their yard. We love seeing the difference in their face, how it lights up just like when we light their yard up. So Custom Lighting of America can be contacted from 561-204-3000. You can also visit us on our website, clalighting.com, and we're also on Instagram and Facebook.